Hi everyone, welcome to Murthy IT. Today we are going to discuss one of the frequently asked important interview question, that is, what are the important features and principles of the Java? So the first one is simple. So Java is simple. Next one is Java is secure, robust, portable, architecture neutral, object oriented, multi-threaded, high performance, distributed, dynamic, and platform independent interpreted. So let's discuss why these all features, why how Java supports these all features. So first of all, why Java is simple. So Java is simple, we can tell in three reasons we can take. So the first reason is its syntax and semantics are easy to understand. Easy. Okay. That's why it is simple. And Java has removed all the complex and confusing concepts. Those are multiple inheritance, operator overloading, pointers. These all concepts removed from the Java. That's why it's simple. And one more thing is, just whenever we install Java, we are getting some predefined classes. We no need to write the code. So it has a rich library. So just we should know when we have to use those classes. It's enough. So 3 points: syntax and semantics, all complex and confusion concepts removed, and rich library. That's why Java is simple. Why Java is secure? So we can say in 2 points, 2 ways, 2 reasons why Java is secured. So Java provides the security to our code and data point of view. To the code, actually, to the code, how it will provide the security. So once we executed our program, dot class file generated. So the dot class file generated. So the dot class file, if you modify the byte code without verifying, actually, so in the JVM there will be a byte code verifier. So if in middle that dot class file, if you modify anything, so for example, let me show you the program. Let me show you that program, simple program. Just a second. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So it is a dot class file. So the dot class file we compiled. So this dot class file contains, this is the byte code. If you do anything, if you do anything hacking, anything you added here, so then executing this program, see, now I will execute this first dot class. So I am executing directly. So cmd Java space first. So I written is actually in one class method in another class. So we are getting Stack Overflow exception. So or else I will, okay, or else first program. So we can take any program. Let me open this. Or else any program. Actually, I want to show you people. So if you modify any dot class file, what will be happen? That thing. So just I'm taking this program. So I'm removing these all things actually. So I want to execute the first program. Okay. Yeah. Just I'm taking simple code. So it is a first class. It is having only main method. It's having main method. Just the Java file name is what? Test.java. So cmd Java C space test.java. Okay. So it's compiled. Test.java, what code we have written? Pendit edit plus. Okay, anything. Okay. Just it will be printed just first. So now I am compiling it actually. Java space first. First got printed. Now see, I am telling here what point I am telling here actually. Just a second. Yeah. Where are we discussing here at secure? So here from code point of view, how it will provide the security. From code point of view, how it will provide the security. So then what I'm telling, the JVM having the bytecode verifier. So the bytecode verifier will check the dot class file is valid one or not. So in middle, if you got any hacking and anything, some unrelated data added to this dot class, then our dot class file won't be executed. So that's what I want to tell here. Now I am opening this dot class. I am opening this dot class and I am adding something ABC. Okay. Now if I execute this, will this pro will it will it this dot class file will it execute? No. So it is invalid one. So now I am removing this ABC. Save it. Now try to execute it now. It's executing. So that's what I want to tell. Okay. So from code point of view, Java code secure because compiled Java program, JVM has JVM has JVM has bytecode verifier. It will check either dot class file is valid or not. Then only it will execute. Otherwise, our program will be terminated. So from data point of view, so I told 2 points. From code point of view and data point of view. Code point of view already I told, because of bytecode verifier. So our dot class file is secured. Data point of view, how it is secured? Because of encapsulation. So we create our variables with private. We cannot access private variables outside, right? For that we will write setters and getters. So to set the values, we use setters. To get the values, that's it. We can access directly. So from data point of view, encapsulation. From code point of view, bytecode verifier. We'll get the security. So next, robust. Why Java is robust? So Java is robust. Robust means first of all it is strong. So Java has a strong memory management. What do you mean by strong memory management? So memory management is called allocating or deallocating objects in the JVM. So the process of allocation and deallocating the objects in the JVM is called memory management. So this memory management automatically happen in the JVM. How? Because of garbage collection. So in JVM we have garbage collection, that because of it automatically our unreferenced objects will be removed, which are not using the objects in our program. Automatically they will be removed from the JVM. Then our program will be fast. That's why Java is robust language. So why? So what do you mean by portable? Our dot class file we can carry to any platform, any system. So no, to run that dot class file, no implementation is required. The compiled code can carry and execute any platform, does not require any implementation. So it is portable. Portable means you can carry our dot class file anywhere. Architectural neutral. What do you mean by why Java is architectural neutral? So irrespective of hardware architecture and software, our Java program will be executed. So you are using uh, Dell laptop, HP laptop, okay, i5 processor, 8 GB RAM. So it won't think about these all things. Just it will execute irrespective of hardware architectures and softwares. So our Java program will be that's why our Java program is architecture neutral. Object oriented. So in Java is a object oriented programming language or not? So in Java, everything viewed as an object. To create a perfect object by using object oriented principles, we develop a perfect object. So what are the object oriented principles? A means what? Polymorphism. A means abstraction. P means polymorphism. I means inheritance and encapsulation. By using these all concepts, we can create a perfect object. That's why object oriented language. Next, multi-threaded. So Java is a multi-threaded programming language. So we can create, if we have a particular task, to complete that task, one program, it will take much time. So if we create multiple programs to create that particular task, we can complete it in less time. So Java supports that multi-threading. That's why multi-threading programming. That's why it is multi-threaded. Okay. Why Java is high performance? So it is interpreted language. It never so so it is interpreted language. Actually, Java is interpreted language. It never be faster than the compiled language. So C++ or C plus C++ languages are the compiled languages. Directly we can compile. So in the if we compile means we'll get the output, right? So but here Java enables high performance by using just-in-time compiler. So the just-in-time compiler will makes our speed of our execution speed. It will make it increases the speed of the Java program while executing. The just-in-time compiler, it is existed in the JVM. So while executing our program, it increases the speed of our Java program execution. That's why Java is high performance. What is distributed? So why Java is distributed language? Distributed means we can put our Java program in one system, we can access from other system via internet. That's why it is distributed language. So to support the distributed features, we have a TCP/IP protocol library. By using it, we can implement it. Why is dynamic? So dynamic means actually Java is a dynamic language. So why? So all the classes, if you are using in our project, all the classes won't be loaded. So whichever classes we are using, that class internally, whichever classes we are, so in the project, some thousands of the classes we are using. Is those all classes will be loaded into the JVM? No, particular class it is executing in that particular class, whichever classes it's using, those particular classes only it will be loaded. So here, why Java is dynamic means what? So the classes will be loaded on the demand. So in our classes will be loaded on the demand at a time, won't be loaded all the classes. That's why it is dynamic. So next, platform independent. If you develop a Java application in Windows operating system, if it is able to execute in other operating system, if it is able to execute other operating system, so that application is called platform independent application. By using Java, we can develop platform independent language. Because of JVM, Java is a platform independent language. Operating system to operating system, JVMs will be different. JVMs will be convert actually current operating system. our dot class file will be converted into current operating system. That's why Java program is platform independent. Java is a platform independent language. Okay. Next, interpreted. What do you mean by interpreted? So Java is an interpreted language because it converts other OS compiled bytecode into current OS. So we compiled our .java file in Windows operating system. So if you want to execute in Mac OS, then in JVM there is an interpreter. That interpreter will be converted into current OS understandable format. That's why Java is an interpreter. Interpreter existed in the JVM. So that's it about all 12 Java features we discussed. If you have any doubts, if you have more, so if you have any doubts and clarifications, you can comment in the comment section. Thanks. Have a great day. If you're watching first time my channel, please subscribe and like my videos. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.